Hello my lovely foodies, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are well. Today we are making lamb biryani, so let's see how to make it. Here we have taken 1 kg medium pieces of lamb. We're gonna marinate it first. We have taken 1.5 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon chili ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon biryani masala, chopped coriander, some mint leaves, 1 bay leaf, and then mix it all. After marinating, cover it and keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. We kept it in the fridge for overnight and take it out from the fridge at least 30 minutes before cooking. Then we add 4 to 5 fried onions in it and mix it with the meat. Heat the vessel and put 5 tablespoons oil in it. Put marinated meat in the pan. If you like extra spicy, you can add green chilies. Here we are adding 2 big size chopped tomatoes, mix it well, cover it and let it cook. Keep on stirring so it won't burn. If you have raw papaya, add 2 tablespoons papaya paste while marinating. It will help for meat to cook faster. Add little water when it's dry. When it's cooked around 80%, on another gas, we need to cook rice. So keep water for heating. Add salt in it. We have soaked the rice for 30 minutes. Put the lime juice into the water. Add some oil and let the water get boiled. Water is boiled now, so let's put the rice in it. We are only cooking rice for 70-75%. So don't overcook it or else it'll spoil your biryani. We are not gonna drain the rice. Straight away we are gonna put on the meat. So arrange it just like this. Garnish with lime slices. Raisins, some cashew nuts, some almonds, chopped coriander and mint. Also putting some boiled eggs. Cut it into 2 pieces and then arrange it over it. At the end, put fried onion. Then cover it with a cotton cloth and put the lid on. Keep it on the low heat for 15 minutes. I can't wait to see it. It's ready now! Wow, can you see? It's perfect. I hope you like this recipe. You do try it. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.